How to deactivate group chat in Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate group chat in Facebook Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then you can simply go to the group chat where you want to deactivate or leave the chat. So here simply search for the group chat right there, and now here once you are inside it, you can just tap on the group chat name at the top. And now here once you are in the group name settings, now here you can simply scroll down, and here if you just want to stop receiving messages or alerts, you can simply scroll down and tap on notification and sound, and here you can simply toggle off this option. And here once you have done with that, you will not get any notifications about the messages from this group. And here with that, another option is to leave the group chat. So here, if you want to completely remove yourself from the group, then you can simply go back and scroll down to the bottom, and there you can see the option labeled as leave chat. So here simply tap on it and leave the chat again, and here once you do that, you'll no longer see messages from that chat and the group won't appear in your messenger inbox anymore. And that's it. That's how you can deactivate, mute, or leave group chat on Facebook Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.